Hey everybody, it's 164 Revival here. It's going to be a quick video here, just kind of spread the word about a cause that's going on. That this morning I saw a video by Keith there at Outlaw Speed Shop, and probably most of you seen it. But if I've got some subscribers that aren't subscribed over there at Outlaw, go over there and subscribe, check out his stuff there, and also see some of the detail on this video. It's a cause for a gentleman by the name of Kenny that's got stage 4 cancer. He's also a customizer. Another gentleman, Stewart Jones, who lives near Kenny, apparently is kind of facilitating a GoFund situation to help out, some financially. And what they want to do is they want to have some submissions of some customs, and then those submissions are going to go to an eBay auction, and those proceeds, I'm assuming, will go to Kenny's cause and the family, to help out in any way, shape, or form. So what I've got here is I've got my my heavy Chevy, my Hot Wheels heavy Chevy that I had in my very first challenge ever when I got into this hobby. And the challenge was with Diecast Resurrection. We both did heavy Chevys. They came out, both of them, I really think they came out fantastic. So this is going to be my submission to it, and I'm going to also have link to the fundraiser, the GoFundMe, link to Stewart Jones's eBay for the auction, and Keith's video, if you're not already subscribed over there, to go check that out. He's got a lot more detail with regards to it, so take a good look at that, and hopefully we can get a ton of cars in this auction for Kenny and that cause, to help out. So go check it out, and thanks for watching.